Good evening, guys. This is the tutorial 4 that we're supposed to do on Thursday, but we couldn't do it due to load shedding. So on this question, we are asked to design a curve. We're given the G1 as -2% and then the G2 as 1%. We're also told that the PVI of the curve is at change 3350, and then the elevation at this PVI is 130 meters. We're told that due to a street crossing, the elevation of this curve at change 3415 should be 131 meters. So since this change is 3350 and then this one is 345, so this point should be more to the right compared to this point. So we're gonna have this, maybe let's say it's somewhere here with an elevation of 131 and a change of 3415. So this is at your L/2, and then this distance, the distance between this point and the PVI, is 1 meter. No, sorry, it is the difference in elevation, my mistake. So the distance, the horizontal distance is 3415 minus 3350 is 3415 minus 3350. So this distance is going to be 65 meters. Let me just redraw this. This is how it looks. This is that point. This is PVI, and then that's your middle point, and then this distance, the distance from PVI to that point, let's name that point P, it's 65 meters. 65 meters. So this is your BVC, and then this is your EVC. And then remember, to get the X, like the distance from, to calculate the elevation of each and every point, we have to calculate the horizontal distance in respect to, like, with our reference at BVC. So this is L/2. The distance from PVI to BVC, it's L/2. So the distance from BVC to P is that point. It's given as L/2 plus 65 meters. So, and then remember we have that equation of this equation of ax squared plus bx plus c. This equation calculates each and every elevation of this point. So this, it's elevation at BVC. Elevation at BVC, we know that it's given as elevation at PVI. This is the elevation at PVI. This is a seg curve, so we have to add the elevation at BVC has to be higher than this point. So you're gonna say add the grade, which is 2%, multiplied by L/2. What is your elevation at PVI? We're given as 130 plus 2%, which is 0.02 L/2. You can simplify this. You're gonna have 0.02 divided by 2. We're gonna have 0.01. It's 130 plus 0.01. So this is what you have. This is like a representation of your elevation at BVC in terms of L. Remember, we're not given the curve length, so we should work with L. We also have that equation. So we need to calculate A. A is given as A/200L. What is A? A is G2 minus G1. So it's 1 minus -2 divided by 200 into L, which is 3/200L. We have another equation, and then we know B, it's our